Oh, you trying to tell me you didn't back in? Man. Oh. Oh. Boys, 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 I found me a color for the Evo. Oh, man. Yes. Today's the day. Are you ready to go? I left my monster at home.
You didn't even get one at the shop.
It's a rough day so far for Evan, but it's about to be a really good day. Yesterday I went to check out the car and it was unreal. I'm excited to show you guys the full thing. I haven't obviously seen it yet. I told Brett at Get Dipped, I was like, don't send me any pictures of it when it's done. I want to be surprised. I want to see the whole thing put together in person. And let me tell you what, boys, I think y'all are about to get a kick out of what I'm about to unveil to you. You know, I almost think I'm just gonna pull a Dustin Williams on you guys and just not reveal the color today. I'm just gonna make a video of me picking the car up, and then Monday I'll do the color reveal. Just kidding, I love you, Dustin. We are at Get Dipped right now, and we are here to see the. Oh, I can't. I'm kind of focused on trying not to hit anything with this trailer right now, but I am stoked beyond what I can even describe to you guys. All right, they got the garage closed.
My heart's pounding.
It is.
Yeah.
It's gonna get crazy. Some of you might hate me for this, but that's okay. Here we go. We got all the way here, and they're not here. They told me that they wouldn't be here until like late, and I don't get notifications from Instagram DMs, and so I've got to come back later. Oopsies. All right, well, let's try this again. Restart the vlog in 3, 2, 1. Try this again. I've had about probably 4 or 5 hours of just work today off camera, and I gotta tell you what, we've got some really sick stuff coming for this Evo. Like, really sick stuff coming, and extremely soon. Extremely soon. On the road again. Yeah, brother, on the road again. Trucker Tom out here trying to get it, brother. All right, baby, second time's the charm. Gotta get repumped, gotta get my blood flowing again. I have seen this yesterday's vlog, or 2 days ago? In yesterday's vlog, you saw that I obviously, I saw the car. But now the wide body is put together and
the hood is on.
The hood is on, like everything is finished. Make sure you don't take any peeks inside the garage. I'm gonna try not to look inside the garage. I gotta surprise myself. All right, I'm ready for this. I am so ready for this. I can't stop smiling. They're gonna drive it, they're gonna open the gates, and there's the gates of heaven just gonna, and then gonna back it out, and then we're gonna see it for the first time. I hope you guys are stoked about this, because I literally just, even though I saw it yesterday, I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm excited. Let's just do this right here.
Hey, you're painting the clouds. Cool.
Just throw a cloud there, smooth that one out. Let's do it.
They look like they're painted today. They're so pretty. Right?
Oh my God, babe!
I can't see it. I don't want to see it yet. Do I look at it? Do I go look at it?
Oh my.
Wait.
Oh my God, I just saw it with the taillights. I just saw it. Oh my God, it looks so good.
The hood.
Is it good? Oh my God, I can't wait. I just want to see it. I can't see the car.
Oh my God.
Here it comes. It's
Right
perfect.
now is the perfect time.
Come on, baby.
Oh my God.
so excited. My heart's racing. Here it comes. Oh my God! Oh my God!
That is so cool.
Oh my God! Oh my God! You guys want to see it? Woo! Oh, my God. Oh, with the hood and oh.
Good choice, hon.
Wow, that is amazing. All right, you guys ready to see it? Let's go. I can't with this. This hood is amazing. It's like this bluish purplish flake in the sun. And like, oh my God, it's like 100 times better than I could have imagined. And check this out, check this out, check this out. Look at this, boys. Be victorious. Hold on, let's get this a little lighter. That is crazy. That's so tight. And dude, the contrast with the taillights. Right. Oh my God. This is officially the craziest, awesomest car I've owned. Just touching it, it's like the finish is just silk smooth. And the amazing thing is this is compoundable. I can wax this, I can clay this, I can do a regular detailing process. The dreams are coming true. Look at this car, dude. Look how stupid cool this looks. Look at this color. Yeah. You can see, okay, here we go. This is a really good representation of like how like color shifty this paint is. It's like a reddish bubblegumish, but like as soon as it hits the light, it's like a really light bluish pink. God, this is so tight. This color is called Pink Poison from Dr. Pigment. And Dr. Pigment, you done good, because this is a tight color. Dr. Pigment's cool and all, but my boys at Get Dip Services actually applied it and made it look that sick. Wow. The fact that I have a car that's all the same color now, like my bumper and the wide body and the skirts and everything, and then I've got, I know you guys are gonna miss that old man tan hood. We finally got a hood that's actually worth looking at. Oh my, I can't get over it. I can't wait to see this thing sliding. God. Everybody's gonna pull up to the track and be like, yo, who's this chick? Nope, that's me, baby. Wow. This is unreal. Who's the master painter here? Are you the master, dude? You did so good. My boy Brett, man. Oh my, I can't even stop looking at it. I always rep this sticker on the bottom of my wing, and I had to really bring this statement to life with this. I actually have to admit, I saw an SC300 one time. They had a black hood, and it was like a girly, like an actual girly pink color. It was like Barbie pink, and I saw that, I was like, that's the tightest, most annoying thing I've ever seen in my life, and I need to have that done. It's literally better than I dreamt this could be pulled off, and I love it. I love the satin hood, it's amazing. The gloss on the bumper, to make it...
Just for you.
What is this? Can you don't? It's sick to have like the Vertex on, the wide body rears, the Vertex sides, like everything just kind of pop and just be together now. This is what I've been envisioning for this car since I got it, and I know it's awesome. And my man's at Get Dip Services made it come to life. I will put their link and their Instagram and stuff like that into the description of this video. If you guys want anything, they do wraps, they do this, and this is actually significantly cheaper than getting a wrap from anywhere else. This is it's like ridiculous. So if you have any inquiries or questions, feel free to DM them or send them an email. Dude, even in the shade, it just looks so good. I can't handle it. I can't handle it. Can't stop staring. I can't. Let's go ahead, break some necks on the highway. Again, such a huge thanks So my boys Dan and Brett at Get Dip Services, I will put all their links and stuff down in the description. I need you guys to hit them up and let me know what colors my other cars need to be. Look, we're just looking at the back. We finally actually got the stuff that's in the back of here, so it didn't have to fly out or get stolen or whatever. But how do you like it?
It's insane. I love it.
You actually like you like it?
And it's funny, we're texting all of our family and pictures and whatnot, and they're like, "Oh my gosh, that's so cool!"
I love modifying cars because it's a form of art and it's a form of self-expression, I think. And I love. The huge reason why I love it so much is because there's so much, like, not a passion, that sounds weird, but like there's so much just of yourself that goes into your car. And I think that it's important that you express yourself through your car. And I think that this color, as weird as it might sound, hot pink, it's so loud and vibrant and kind of annoying and obnoxious. It's so sick. Oh my God, it looks so good driving on the road. Yeet! Oh, it's so nice. Oh, this XB is gonna be like, oh damn boy. Hey bro, y'all already know what's going on. You know how we like to flock our dash around here? This man liked to flock his whole car. This man flocked his whole car. The whole car is felt covered. I'm trying to get on that level. I don't know what I'm doing out here.
We need to peel off the wrap now.
I don't know what I'm doing out here with a pink wrap. I'm an idiot. I should have flocked my whole car. Dang it.
Again.
She hasn't been in a garage. Like, think about that. This car's not been in my own garage for months since I left Texas the first time. To have it in my own garage, accessible to mod whenever the hell I want. That's the best thing. That's the best thing I could ask for. You know, this is just as awesome as I ever imagined. Whenever I first got this car years ago, so many people just, oh, I'm unsubscribing, you know, this is a grandpa car, nobody cares about this car. Not that I hate, but what I just really dislike about the internet is people are so, like, quick to judge and quick to leave, and that's not even for cars. For so long I've had such a crazy vision for this car, and it's finally come alive. And for those of you who have stuck around for every single episode I've ever made for this car, I want to give you a special thanks. I also want to give a special thanks to Halo FX as well. They did do a partial sponsorship on this for Get Dip Services, so a huge shout out to them. But I want to say a special thank you to those of you who have watched for just a long time and have watched not only just for the Evo or not only just for my Subaru or for the Porsche or for the Jeep, like, for those of you who have really truly stuck around and appreciated and constantly have supported the content and allowed this to happen, allowed that to happen, and then the Evo that is at my dad's house to happen right now. I'm so excited that this car is finally where I've wanted it to be for the longest time, and I can finally, like, express myself. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that was the dumbest exhaust I've heard today. That's it. Welcome home, my sweet, sweet child. Oh my God, it just looks so good. And I'm so sorry that camera does not do it justice at all. I'm looking through the viewfinder right now. It doesn't even look close, not even close to how awesome it is in person. But seriously, a huge shout out and a big thank you to Get Dip Services and just to my amazing subscribers out there. You guys are awesome for making this car happen, and I can't wait to get out there and do some more skids. I'll see you guys, not tomorrow, this is the last video of the week, I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace out, I love you so much, and be victorious. It's so good though, like, this is the best. I can't even stop looking at it. But make sure, guys, I got two amazing videos right in front of your face. Make sure you go and watch one of them or both of them. I know you guys got some free time. Just keep going. I want you to keep watching.